Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Start by opening Google Chrome. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store in the search bar. In the Chrome Web Store, search for AdBlocker extension. You will find several options to choose from. Select an AdBlocker extension that suits your needs. Click Add to Chrome to install it. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm the installation. The AdBlocker extension is now added to Google Chrome. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.